Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare Wellness Visit benefits, coverage guide step by step clearly. To activate your Medicare Wellness Visit benefits, start by confirming your eligibility. You must be enrolled in Medicare Part B. Check the date of your last wellness visit if you have had one. Medicare allows one wellness visit every 12 months. Find a healthcare provider who accepts Medicare. You can search for providers on the Medicare website or use the Medicare app. Contact the provider's office to schedule your wellness visit. When you call, mention that you want to schedule your annual wellness visit. Be sure to ask if there are any specific requirements or preparations needed for your appointment. Gather any necessary documents before your visit. This may include your Medicare card and a list of medications you're currently taking. During the wellness visit, your healthcare provider will review your medical history. They will assess your risk for potential health issues. You will also have a discussion about preventive services available to you. If necessary, the provider may create a personalized preventive care plan. Make sure to take notes during your visit if you have questions. Once your visit is complete, follow up with your provider about any additional tests or services recommended. Keep a record of your wellness visit for your files. Remember that the services covered during this visit may vary. Always check your Medicare plan for specific coverage details. Staying proactive with your health can make a significant difference. Utilizing your Medicare Wellness Visit can help ensure you receive the care you need. By following these steps, you can successfully activate and make the most of your Medicare Wellness Visit benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.